Hi guys, it's Mackenzie with WTI. Oh boy, is this my new favorite product for my lips, personally. This Nourishing lip mask, Coconut Kisses, is the ultimate wonderful things to keep my lips supple. I want moisture without it being something that's dripping off me or something that you put on and then 5 seconds later is gone. I don't want something that is too tasty. I feel like I'm gonna eat it off of my lips. But this product is beyond. You need very, very little and it is perfect. And so easy to apply. You can wear this for that hydrating, nourishing kick that your lips might need in the day, but also I like to put it on at nighttime, right before bed. It's that perfect little extra. I even put it on a little thicker than I would during the day, but it is that perfect hydration. I actually put it on sometimes before I know that I'm gonna go out and wear maybe more of a drying lipstick. So this way, I'm treating from underneath ahead of time because who doesn't want extra hydration? I know I do. You're gonna love it almost as much as me, and that's my point of view.